Ever wonder why some people seem to get so much done in a day while others are always racing against the clock? It's not magic, it's all about time management. Imagine a world where you never feel rushed, always complete your tasks on time, and still have moments to spare. This world can be yours, with just a few simple strategies. Firstly, prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are vitally important while others can wait. Start by making a list of everything you need to do. Then separate them into two categories: urgent and not urgent. Tackle the urgent tasks first and then move on to the not-so-urgent ones. Secondly, eliminate distractions. In today's digital age, we are constantly bombarded with information. Emails, social media, news updates. It's easy to get lost. So turn off those notifications, or better yet, designate specific times for checking them. Next, learn to say no. It's easy to overcommit and end up overwhelmed. Remember, every yes you give to something is a no to something else. So be selective with your commitments. Also, make use of tools and technology. There are countless apps and software designed to help with time management. From digital calendars and task lists to project management tools, use them to your advantage. Another key strategy is to break tasks into manageable chunks. Large tasks can be daunting and can lead to procrastination. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less overwhelming and easier to tackle. Don't forget about self-care. It's crucial to take breaks and allow yourself some downtime. This will not only prevent burnout, but also improve your focus and productivity when you get back to work. Lastly, remember to set realistic goals. Setting unachievable goals will only lead to disappointment and stress. Aim for progress, not perfection. So armed with these strategies, step into the world of better time management. Make the most of every moment. Stop wasting your life chasing after time and start living it. Now it's time to take action. Put these strategies into practice. Prioritize, eliminate distractions, learn to say no, use tools and technology, break tasks down, take care of yourself, and set realistic goals. Remember, time waits for no one. But with effective time management, you can make every second count. So stop wasting your life in 2024. Make it the year you take control of your time and live your life to the fullest. The power is in your hands. Make it happen.